So Ukraine has been suffering from a constant barrage of cyber attacks. Once the document is open and the macro is enabled, a PowerShell command is executed. So let's talk about this DCRat. Hello, my name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. If you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. So apparently DarkCrystal RAT targets Ukrainian Telecommunications company. Let's get right into it. We're going dark. This is courtesy of Cyware. So DarkCrystal RAT targets Ukrainian Telecommunications. So Ukraine has been suffering from a constant barrage of cyber attacks. The CERT UA has issued several advisories regarding the attacks. Most recently, the agency published another warning about the peril of Ukrainian telecommunications operators. So let's dive into the details. Threat actors are sharing mal-spam messages with the subject free primary legal aid to disseminate the DarkCrystal RAT or DCRat onto victim systems. The messages contain a password-protected attachment titled Algorithm of Actions of Members of the Family of a Missing Serviceman Legal Aid.rar. Once the document is open and the macro is enabled, a PowerShell command is executed. So let's talk about this DCRat. A commercial .NET malware, DarkCrystal RAT, surfaced in 2018. It is capable of stealing data from compromised hosts, keylogging, capturing screenshots, pilfering cookies, passwords, and others from browsers, and gathering machine information. In early May, the Trojan was being sold on Russian underground forums at cheap prices. Why does this matter? This strain of DCRat was packed with an unknown packer that conducted a check for computer names during the unpacking process. This ensured detection evasion. The packer contained way too much spaghetti code containing several jump instructions. This technique is similar to steganography. However, the malware code hides in a header instead of an image. So lots of advisories. As mentioned above, right, Ukraine has been facing constant cyber attacks since the geopolitical warfare started. Here are some recent attacks against the nation that CERT UA warned against. A malicious campaign against Ukrainian media organizations was found abusing the Folina flaw to spread the Crescent IMP malware onto victim systems. A few days back, the agency issued warning about two Russian threat actors, APT28 and UAC line 0098, exploiting Folina to deploy CredoMap malware and Cobalt Strike beacons. In May, CERT UA published an advisory warning against a phishing campaign with the subject chemical attack. Once the files were open, they propagated the Jester malware. In April, an advisory warned against a social engineering campaign that was found installing the Iced ID malware. The campaign was linked to the UAC 0041 threat cluster. Here's the bottom line. The threat actor leveraged multiple attack vectors to increase the chances of success. DCRat is a relatively inexpensive but very capable malware. It's mainly focused on data exfiltration, and the stolen data can be used for further attacks. That's it. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.